Well, it has come time to announce our winners. And we had a lot of folks comment on the 4 things we're going to give away and then on the 5K giveaway of the helmet. So we had 66 of you folks enter in for the 4 things to give away. So I'm going to leave it up to you of what you want. So if you win in this video, email me at butlercustoms.motorcycleshop@gmail.com and tell me what you want. So the things that I have to offer you for this giveaway is a Butler Customs patch, a handmade patch. They're really nice. 2 different styles of hats. They're Richardson's 112 hats, snapbacks, mesh on top. Really nice hats. I got them in the gray and I have them in the black. Or a Butler Customs t-shirt. It's got the Butler Customs on here and the Butler Customs on the back. So that's your choices. So if you win one of these 4 winners, will get to pick what they want, but you got to email me and please include your username and your address and all that. And we can chat, make sure you're you, you make sure I'm me, and I can send you. So if anybody emails you asking for money for the shipping or anything like that, nope, that's not me. This is totally free. This is a giveaway just to say thank you for all the subscribers that we have. And look, we hit 5,000, I don't know, what, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. My wife's over here, but she refuses to be in the video. So I had to make a deal that she wouldn't be in. So, but she's going to push the spinny wheel and record who won. But anyway, we're already almost at half of that. We're almost at 5,500 already. So when we hit 6, we're going to give away 6 things, and I might start giving away some things kind of more personal in the shop, just that you can hang up in your shop or garage or on your wall and enjoy. So without further, let's get to it, and we're going to spin for the first winner. All right, our first winner is S Caveman 9126. Congratulations. You can get a shirt, a patch, or a hat. Just email me at butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com and let me know what you got. Okay, so we're going to take you off since you won. Let's spin again. All right, Sally Boy 5418, you have won our second prize. Very good. Let's spin again. Our third winner is GMCJ_LLY. Or maybe IIY, I'm not sure. And our last and fourth winner, before we get to our big helmet giveaway, is Ada Hosier 11. So congratulations to our 4 giveaway winners. Let me know through email if you want a patch or a hat, and if you want a hat, what color, and or if you want a shirt, what size. So thank you guys so much. Okay, so it's time for our 5K grand prize. This beautiful designed helmet by Chase over at Paint by Spears on YouTube. Please go check his channel out. He donated this, did all the artwork on this. It turned out beautiful. I did sign the inside, and I even left you a little special note there. But if you later wanted to go and line this and put padding in and go down the road in it, it would make a beautiful piece. Or just put it up on your stand there. Now we had 17 entries, people enter into getting this helmet. And some of y'all wanted extra entries and went to our merchandise website. And so we have a total of 62 different entries. And your name should be in that spinner thing, and it should be kind of scattered wherever, kind of evened out. So just one spin, and you're going to get this helmet. All right, are we ready? Oh, we've been waiting a long time for this. Okay, give it a spin, Mama. See what we got. Let's see who wins it. Oh no, the sound's not on. I forgot to turn the sound back up. And the winner is Top Flight 187. You have won this beautiful helmet. So I will reach out to you via email, and I will get your shipping address if I don't have it already. I will bubble wrap the fool out of this and package it very well and put a tracking on it and get it to you, and I will send you a tracking number when it's heading your way. So thank you guys so much. I mean, we're almost at 6,000 now, and we'll be doing some more gifts. Now, when we get our 10K, if we ever get there, we'll do another big thing like this. So thank you guys so much. Thank my wife for putting all the names in and getting everything together. And tell your mom and them I said hi.